Rub our hands to create some energy. Rub your hands. Sit up tall. Take a deep breath. Inhale through the nose. Reach up. Exhale. Rainbow. Rub your hands. Sit up tall. Take a deep breath. Rub your hands. Sit up tall. Take a deep breath. If you like, you can make circles, big soupy circles. One way. Take a deep breath. Wrap your hands. Sit up tall. Meddy's gonna do it too. Inhale through the nose and say Om. Wrap your hands. You can do the other way with your circles. Take a deep breath. Wrap your hands. Last one. Sit up tall. Take a deep breath. Can you hum? Beautiful. I have my special singing bowl. We're going to take a moment of stillness. See if we can still our bodies like a statue. Maybe we bring our pincher fingers together and rest them on our knees. Moment of stillness. Moment of silence. I take a deep breath. Moment of stillness. Moment of silence. What sounds can I hear? Maybe you can hear your own breath. Maybe you can hear your mommy's breath. Or Meddy Teddy's breath. I'm going to say, what's your, and you're going to say power to see what our superpower is this week. What's your power? What's your power? What's your power? This week for Valentine's Day, our superpower is love. You guessed it. We're going to say our affirmations around love. Bring your hands up. Affirmation time. Affirmation time. Affirmation time. Repeat after me. I am love. I am compassionate. I am kind. Now we're going to make hearts with our hands. You can bring your thumbs together, this. You can even join, here, look at my hearts. You can even join your hand with your mommy's hand. So mommy's hand and your hand can make a heart together. And we're going to say, I give love, and then give love all around you. Give, give, give. I receive love, bring it in. I am love, love, love. Bringing one hand to our heart, one hand to our belly. Noticing where you feel love in your body. How can I give love today? How can I receive love? Let's get moving our bodies. What do you say, Kiki? You want to do your favorite down dog for Kiki the dog? Down dog. Let's bring our hips up high. Meddy the teddy's going to do it as well. You can pedal out your feet. Bend one knee, then the other knee. Walking our puppy dog. So I'm pedaling out my feet. Stretching out the backs of my leg. Then we can shake our head. Shake your head, yes. Shake your head, no. Down dog, here we go. Maybe you can lift a leg. Try one-legged down dog and open your hip by kicking, opening up. Opening up our hips. You can even look under your armpits. Say hi to your mom. Try the other side. Kick. Now come to sit on your knees. I'm going to show you our next pose called open heart. So you can either do it by flipping your dog over, or you can do it by sitting on your bottom, knees are bent, my feet are down. I bring one hand down, lift my hips up. Then my head and arm go back, opening the heart. Lift the hips up high. And then when you're there, you can give your mommy or Meddy Teddy high five with that hand. Yes, good job. Try both sides. I am open to receive. Look how great Meddy's doing. Isn't he doing great, Kiki? Opening the heart, stretching. You can even do it from down dog if you like to try. Get into down dog. I bring my foot one-legged down dog, then I go over. Watch out, Kiki. And then oh, that was silly. So much fun. Let's do a couple standing poses. Let's stand up in mountain. Stand up tall. Take a deep breath. Step your foot forward, arms come out. Warrior number 2. I am a strong warrior. Flip the palm, open up. Reverse it. This is called peaceful warrior. I am a peaceful warrior. Back to warrior 2. Now we're going to straighten our legs for triangle pose. You're going to reach forward. Reach. Hand comes down the leg, other arm up. And we say triangle. Hold for 3 breaths. Big open heart. 1 breath. 2 breaths. And 3. Up to center. Back to mountain. Now we have to do the other leg, other side, so we're balanced. What pose did we do first? Do you remember? That's right, warrior 2. I am a strong warrior. Then we flipped our palm, reach back. I am a peaceful warrior. Back to center. We straighten the leg. See how I lean with my hip. Hand comes down anywhere it lands. Other hand up. Opening our hearts. Triangle. Count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Triangles have 3 sides. Back to center, back to mountain. Then we're gonna go star, shine, 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 shine. Mommy high five, woo! Slowly come down to frog, like a squat. Ribbit, 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 shh, 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 ribbit, shh, 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 ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. And we'll take a break in child's pose. So you can get on your knees. Good job, everybody. You remember that one, guys? So we sit on our knees, and then we'll make a little pillow if you'd like. We're going to do a partner one with this one, okay? I'm going to show you what it looks like. So one person is going to be a rock, the child, and one person is going to be a lizard. It's called Lizard on a Rock. So you sit back to back. You have to decide who's going to be the rock and who's going to be the lizard. And you can take turns. So you sit back to back. The first person gets into rock, and then you go all the way back. Then we'll end in a nice relaxing pose. You can end with your in shavasana, lying on your back. X Factor. You can bring one hand to the heart, one hand to the belly. If you want to shake anything out, you can bring your arms and legs out, shake it out. This is called jellyfish. Jellyfish. I shake, shake, shake it out. Shake, shake, shake it out. We let it go. Give yourself a hug. Send yourself love. And then final rest. Meddy can come on your belly or any stuffy. We inhale, rise, exhale, fall. Few deep breaths. Humming helps us calm our nervous system. Hum it out. All that love. When you're ready, come up to sit and to sing our final Namaste song, My Little Light. My little light, bounce to your little light, your little light, your little light. My little light, bounce to your little light. Namaste. My little light bounce to your little light, and your light bounce to mine. My little light bounce to your little light, and your light bounce to mine. Everyone's shine a little bit light, and we're just gonna let it shine. Think about what the world can be if we just gonna let it shine. Namaste. Hands to heart. Beep, beep, beep. 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 I am love. Send love to everyone around you. I am light. Shine it bright. I am peace, peace, peace. The light in me sees the light in you. Sparkle and shine. We're going to catch a bubble in 3, 2, 1. Namaste. Bear must stay. Remember, friends, to give love today. Happy Valentine's Day from the Meddy Teddy family. So much love.